Okay. So guys, nako dito sa taas sa bukid sa na nga port ato?
Bridgeport.
Sa taas sa Bridgeport. Nga island Garden City of Samal. Nga tre na sila gibuhat nga landscape. Bilib ko kayo ano nga pagka-landscape sa lansan kayo. Og napo siya mga condominium dito. Unya ato taagi para to makita. Nindot na kayo ang Samal Island. Labi na nga sige develop og ako lang taong ilang trabaho diri. Sila oh.
Hello. Hey guys.
Ano sila?
Wala po master. Karon ba mo?
Mo ni sila ang mga gatrabaho diri. Dito pa ko sa dalan, ila ko gitawag mo nang nakita ko trail pasaka. It's a vertical trail but I try my best to climb up. Diri nakita niyo nga nasa lay mga gipang trabaho walls made of cement and stones. Ana. Pwede. Oh, sige. Okay.
Login ganito sir.
Agi ka diri. Atong tanaw ni mga gwapo diri be kay mo rin ni gatawag-tawag sa ko dito sa ubos. Mo ni. Ako lima kay. Oh. Mo ni sila. So mo ni ang legends diri. So for a year coming mo ni siya ang sila gabuhat diri. Dili sayo nga trabaho underneath the sun, very hot. Pero ilang gipaning kamutan nga makahatag sila og maayo nga talan-awon diri sa Island Garden City of Samal. Oh, diri. Wow. So here is the wall. Mo ni gibuhat nila nga just imagine gi-flat nila ni and make a hole for the light post. O na sila yung mga staircase diri. Katuay na yung mga staircase dito. Gikan sa dalan, saka diri sa future. So here makita nato nga kakahoyan ko siya bukid. Pero ilang gi anam-anam og limpyo na ko nakita galimpyo dito. Og sa ubos diha mo ang Bridgeport Hotel in which the Ironman triathlon race will be held soon here in Island Garden of Samal. So Ironman is one of the biggest triathlon in the world. So here they can stay and they can do the race while viewing the beauty of the Samal Island. And here it is. On the far area, I'm standing in the island of Samal. But in front of this, you can see the city of Davao. So una ang Davao City. So dito na area mo to ang Davao del Norte, which is the entrance going to the city from Agusan region. And here is the sea is they call it the Davao Gulf. This Davao Gulf is connected to Surigao del Sur and Davao Oriental. If you will be staying in Davao Oriental, you can view this island on the edge of Davao Oriental beaches. And here we are guys. So now you can see I will point it out the Mount Apo. The Mount Apo is not visible during this time. It can be seen, the summit will be seen every early in the morning. You can see the boulder clearly from Samal Island. So there is one of the view here in Samal Island. And this one is the Davao. And if you follow my fingers guys, you can see the construction of the new bridge. This bridge will link the two islands, Davao City and Samal Island. So in the future we can travel by car using that island, which is connected to Davao and to Samal Island here. So the Samal Island is getting prosperity because of the tourism. So all the people in Davao Island will come to visit Samal Island, not just in the Philippines, but to those who are living outside the country. I met a lot of foreigners walking on the street in Samal Island, and I sure they enjoy the breeze the natural resources, the beauty of the mountain, the stunning view of all around this mountain you can see, and even here you can see these guys. They contributed a lot about tourism here because they are the one who constructed this Bridgeport mountain. So guys, okay, thank you very much. I will be going to continue my journey here in the island of Samal. This is Spartan Surigao Island City Garden, Igacos, Samal Island Adventure. So thanks for following me, and there will be more journey we can do here in the island. Thank you very much guys, and hope to see you again. And these guys, I hope to see them again in the island. I will be back here guys because I love Samal Island.